In the vast landscape of business software, the name Sage is instantly recognizable. It's a brand synonymous with accounting, finance, and enterprise management solutions, used by countless businesses across the globe. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what exactly does Sage stand for in the context of this software giant? Is it an acronym, a clever play on words, or something else entirely? The truth is surprisingly straightforward, and it speaks volumes about the initial vision behind the company. Sage, in this context, doesn't stand for a complex acronym or a hidden technical term. Instead, it directly references the common meaning of the word: a profoundly wise person, someone known for their good judgment and knowledge. When Graham Wiley, along with David Goldman and Paul Muller, founded the company in 1981, their primary goal was to create software that offered wise accounting solutions for businesses. They envisioned a tool that would empower business owners with the financial insights they needed to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of managing their finances effectively. Hence, the name Sage was chosen to reflect this aspiration: software that would act as a knowledgeable and reliable guide for businesses. Think about the traditional image of a sage: someone with years of experience, offering sound advice and guidance. The founders of Sage aimed to encapsulate this essence within their software. They wanted to provide businesses, particularly small and medium-sized enterprises, SMBs, with a tool that was not just functional but also intelligent, helping them to understand their financial data and make smarter choices. This simple yet powerful naming choice has contributed significantly to the brand's identity. It conveys a sense of trustworthiness, reliability, and expertise. When businesses choose Sage software, they are implicitly trusting it to provide accurate information and support their financial management, much like seeking advice from a wise sage. The brilliance of the name lies in its universality and ease of understanding. Unlike many tech companies that opt for abstract or technical-sounding names, Sage is a common word with a positive and easily grasped connotation. This accessibility likely played a role in the company's early adoption and its ability to resonate with a broad range of business users, many of whom might not have deep technical expertise. Over the years, as Sage has expanded its product offerings beyond accounting into areas like payroll, CRM, HRM, and ERP, the underlying meaning of the name has remained relevant. Even in these broader contexts, the software aims to provide businesses with the knowledge and insights they need to manage their operations effectively and make wise decisions across various aspects of their organization. Consider a project management scenario where a business uses Sage's ERP system. The software can provide valuable insights into project costs, resource allocation, and profitability. In this sense, it acts as a Sage advisor, helping project managers make informed decisions to keep projects on track and within budget. Similarly, in HR management, Sage software can provide data-driven insights into employee performance and resource planning, guiding wise decisions related to workforce management. The simplicity of the name Sage also makes it easily memorable and pronounceable across different languages and cultures, which has undoubtedly been an advantage in the company's global expansion. A name that is easy to recall and carries a positive meaning contributes significantly to brand recognition and acceptance in diverse markets. Furthermore, the name Sage subtly implies a sense of longevity and enduring wisdom. Just as a true sage gains knowledge and experience over time, Sage as a company has evolved and adapted over decades, building a wealth of expertise in business software. This sense of established wisdom can be reassuring for businesses looking for a long-term software partner. In an educational context, understanding the origin and meaning of the name Sage provides a valuable lesson in branding and the power of choosing a name that aligns with a company's core values and mission. It highlights how a simple, well-chosen word can effectively communicate a company's aspirations and build a strong brand identity.